Capturing the past through historic photography. 1905 Peugeot V-Twin. One of the earliest V-Twin motorcycles, known for pioneering the engine layout that became popular in motorcycles. 1909 Pierce 4. America's first four-cylinder motorcycle, showcasing luxury and engineering innovation. 1911 Harley-Davidson Model 7D. The company's first V-Twin motorcycle, known for durability and performance. 1912 Indian Board Track Racer. Built for early American board track racing, with minimalist design and high-speed capability. 1913 Pope Model L. Known for its high speed, Pope motorcycles set early speed records with this model. 1915 Indian Big Twin. A powerful bike known for its distinctive left-hand throttle and sidecar-friendly design.